Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of earbuds? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, featuring next-generation hi-fi audio, intelligent active noise cancellation, and enhanced 360-degree spatial sound for a more immersive listening experience. With improved battery life, seamless device connectivity, and a sleek, comfortable design, these earbuds are built to elevate your everyday audio. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Charging case. Extra ear tips. User manual. Technical specifications. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro feature a premium in-ear design for a secure, comfortable fit. They are lightweight with an ergonomic canal fit structure, making them ideal for long listening sessions. The enhanced two-way speaker system combines a dynamic woofer with a dedicated tweeter for rich, balanced sound. Dual amplifiers further improve clarity and reduce distortion. Connectivity is seamless with Bluetooth 6.1, supporting high-resolution audio through SSC-UHQ, 24-bit or 96 kHz, SSC, AAC, SBC, and LC3 codecs. With 6 built-in microphones and super clear call technology, your voice is picked up clearly, ensuring crisp conversations even in noisy environments. Enjoy 360 audio with head tracking for immersive sound that moves with you. Active noise cancellation blocks unwanted background noise, while adaptive ANC automatically adjusts to your surroundings. Finally, the ergonomic fit ensures secure, long-lasting comfort, keeping the earbuds stable during movement and daily use. Product features. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro feature an advanced two-way speaker system that delivers hi-fi sound across the full audio spectrum. The dynamic woofer handles deep, powerful bass, while the dedicated tweeter produces clear, crisp highs. This combination ensures every song, movie, or call comes alive with rich, balanced sound and remarkable detail. Experience audio like never before with ultra-high-quality sound support. These earbuds provide high-resolution playback, preserving every nuance of your favorite music and media. From intricate instrumental layers to subtle vocal details, the Buds 4 Pro lets you hear your audio exactly as it was meant to be heard. With 6 built-in microphones and AI noise reduction, it delivers super clear call quality, keeping your voice crisp and audible even in noisy environments. In addition, the integrated personal AI translator allows real-time language translation right in your ear, making it easier to communicate across languages seamlessly. Take control of your calls with simple head gestures, just nod to answer or shake to reject. Along with this intuitive feature, the earbuds provide long-lasting battery life for extended listening, and fast charging ensures you can get hours of use from just a few minutes of charging. This combination makes the Buds 4 Pro perfect for busy, on-the-go lifestyles. How to use. Open the charging case with the earbuds inside and keep it near your phone. A quick pair pop-up will automatically appear on your screen. Simply tap, connect to pair the earbuds instantly. Once connected, the earbuds will automatically reconnect to your device whenever you open the case nearby. After connecting, go to Settings and open Bluetooth. Then tap your Galaxy Buds name to open the earbuds menu. From here, you can adjust features like active noise cancellation, 360 audio, equalizer presets, and check battery levels. Swipe down to open the Quick Settings panel on your Galaxy phone and tap the Galaxy Buds icon or Media Control panel. This allows you to quickly change listening modes, enable or disable ANC, adjust volume, or access other earbud controls without opening a separate app. Effortless control. Simply pinch the stem area of the earbuds to control your audio and calls. A single pinch plays or pauses music or answers a call. A double pinch skips to the next track, and a triple pinch goes back to the previous track. You can also pinch and hold to activate preset functions, like switching noise control modes or rejecting calls. Enable head gestures in the settings to control calls without touching your phone. When a call comes in, nod your head to answer or shake your head to decline. This hands-free control is especially useful when your hands are busy or when you don't want to reach for your device. Turn on voice commands in the earbud settings to control your device using your voice. Once enabled, you can say commands like play music, next song, volume up, or answer call. This allows you to manage music, calls, and other functions completely hands-free. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro feature a canal-fit design with silicone ear tips and an IP57 water-resistant build for better durability in workouts. In comparison, the Apple AirPods Pro 3 use a lightweight plastic stem design with silicone tips and the same IP57 dust, sweat, and water resistance, but are optimized mainly for the Apple ecosystem and a slightly lighter in-ear feel. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro use a two-way driver system with a woofer and tweeter, plus Samsung's 24-bit high-resolution audio codec and adaptive ANC for detailed sound. Meanwhile, the AirPods Pro 3 use Apple's custom high-excursion driver and H2 chip, offering features like adaptive audio, personalized spatial audio with head tracking, and hearing health tools such as hearing aid mode and conversation awareness. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro deliver about 6 hours of playback with ANC and up to 30 hours with the charging case, along with Bluetooth 6.1 connectivity. On the other hand, the AirPods Pro 3 offer up to 8 hours of listening with ANC and around 24 hours total with the MagSafe charging case, and they connect using Bluetooth 5.3 with Apple ecosystem features like Find My integration. Pros and cons. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro Pack Premium Audio in a compact, ergonomic design. With a dual driver system and dual amplifiers, they deliver rich bass and crisp highs, while 24-bit high-resolution audio and 360 spatial sound with head tracking create an immersive listening experience. Adaptive active noise cancellation blocks unwanted noise, and 6 microphones with super clear call ensure your voice is always clear. Hands-free controls like pinch gestures, head gestures, and AI features, including real-time translation, make these earbuds smart and convenient. Lightweight, water-resistant, and Galaxy ecosystem ready, they're perfect for long listening sessions. On the downside, some advanced features work best with Samsung devices. ANC isn't the absolute strongest, and the charging case is simple and prone to scratches. Gesture controls and app setup may take a bit of learning, and upgrades over previous models are modest. Still, for sound quality, smart features, and comfort, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are a top-tier choice. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.